is the Trinity 32-inch by 16-inch sink, stainless steel. We've had this for a little bit while we've been waiting to finish more of the kitchen, specifically this wall. And now it's finally time to put it together. So that's my project for the day. We're gonna put it together, attach it to the wall, and then we're going to hook up the plumbing. Okay, let's unbox this drain assembly. And I'll get it upright, that's the next step. Okay, so this is the nut. Put it to unscrew first. I was like, I left out a few things, but no, it's just hiding under here. I'm gonna remove that. I've got a paper gasket, black gasket, and a white gasket. It says, insert drain through the white seal, right? And opening at the bottom. And from under the sink, first slide on the black gasket, and then the paper gasket, and screw on this big nut again. Put that in there. That's all set. Let's see what we got here. Nice. Love these extendable things. That's great. Okay, so I'm going to thread it through, and then I'm going to align this correctly as we start. And we're going to make sure that this part is facing the sink. Then we slide on first the black gasket, then the white washer, and then screw on the lock. All right, this is the counterweight for the sink nozzle, or the faucet nozzle. I'm gonna have to attach this. The instruction says this goes on either end, and then screw it back together. I got to attach this guy to here. Should just snap right together. There it is. Good. So I put it, got to put it on the side opposite of this quick connector. About here. Cool. Always kind of wondered how that worked. One thing that is a little bit tricky about living out here in the country versus living in the city is the food. So you can't just get takeout anytime that you want. We're used to just going right down the street to this like little Nepalese restaurant and getting some awesome curry, and that was just like what we did every week. And here, if you want to get what's available, you got to drive somewhere between like 25 to 45 minutes. And so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna try a place that I've never been before. It's called the Blue Mountain Barrel House. Blue Mountain Brewery is awesome. I drink their dark hollow stout, like it's gonna go out of style, even though it's here year round. And they've got a place where they make tacos. So Christina heard that and said, yeah, tacos, let's do it. So I'm on my way to get tacos.